Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to collect blood using the SARSTEDT S-Monovette and Safety-Multifly Needle. In this video, we will be introducing you to the more gentle aspiration technique. Please observe the hygiene regulations of your facility. You will need the following items: a tourniquet, single-use gloves, block rack, a Safety-Multifly Needle, disinfectant, a multi-safe sharp disposal box, antiseptic swabs, an empty cup, and the S-Monovettes. Apply the tourniquet. For optimum sample quality, the tourniquet should be left on for a maximum of 1 minute. Examine the veins and select a suitable vein. Disinfect the skin around the chosen puncture site. Remove the Safety-Multifly Needle from the packaging by peeling the transparent foil upwards. Thanks to the peel-off opening, this can be done without having to touch the Multifly Needle. Hold the Safety-Multifly Needle by gently pushing the coloured wings together. Remove the protective cover. Ensure that the needle bevel of the Safety-Multifly Needle is facing upwards. Stretch the skin and hold the vein in place. To avoid piercing through the vein, puncture it at a flat angle. Upon successful puncture, blood will begin to flow into the Safety-Multifly Needle. Connect the first S-Monovette to the Safety-Multifly Needle for collection using the aspiration technique. To do this, slide the S-Monovette into the integrated holder and turn it clockwise. Then gently pull back the piston rod. Loosen the tourniquet. To avoid haemolytic samples, gently pull the plunger until it will go no further and wait until the blood flow stops. Rotate the filled S-Monovette anti-clockwise to remove it from the Safety-Multifly Needle. The Safety-Multifly Needle will remain in the vein. Now invert the S-Monovette once and store it in an upright position. Connect the S-Monovette to the Safety-Multifly Needle. Repeat all the previous steps as for the first S-Monovette by gently pulling the piston rod until it will go no further and wait until the blood flow stops. Remove the S-Monovette from the Safety-Multifly Needle. Invert the filled S-Monovette once and store it in an upright position. For the one-hand activation of the needle protector in the vein, secure the tubing with your fingers and slide the needle protector forwards with your thumb and index finger parallel. Remove the needle from the vein. The needle protector will lock noticeably. For the one-hand activation of the needle protector outside the vein, remove the needle first. Then secure the tubing with your fingers and slide the needle protector forwards with your thumb and index finger until it locks noticeably. Discard the safely locked Safety-Multifly Needle in a sharps disposal box. Pull the S-Monovette piston rod all the way to the end until it audibly clicks into place. Then break it off. Store the correctly labelled sample upright. To avoid the blood clotting, invert the S-Monovette several times. For the optimal coagulation of the S-Monovette serum, after collection, store these standing upright. So the next time, if you follow all the steps in this video, you will ensure a safe and successful blood collection.